right, and here we are live. Very welcome everyone to day 6 of the CodeRefinery workshop. How is everyone doing?
I had my lunch here in Germany. It's a bit later than in Iceland, I guess.
Right, how about you?
Yeah, not bad. Had my lunch.
Great. We are here in the studio together with Jarno, our streamer for
Hello.
today, and Michele and you, who will be teaching today's lesson. And the next, is it still 8 minutes? We're going to have a little chat here before the actual workshop starts at the hour to get used to our ways of working with our collaborative notes and see what you all had for lunch.
Let's also
So,
do the audio check now. And
all right, yes.
Enrico's already saying that volumes are fine, but well,
Okay.
still. What's the order that I see people at? It's me, Michele, you, and Samantha. So let's go in that order. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1,
2.
3.
4.
Okay, I think it's
Yeah.
roughly the same.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm sharing here on the screen is our collaborative notes document. Every one of you, if you registered to our workshop, has probably just right now, gotten an email with the link to that document and also to our workshop webpage and our virtual help room. So this document is used for connecting with the instructors so that we can connect with you. And you have a bunch of links up here as well. For example, to our code of conduct, general, just be nice to one another. And archives, and also the schedule is linked from here. And if we scroll down, we actually have some icebreakers for everyone to get used to this document. So if you've never used a HedgeDoc document or also HackMD, it works very similar, then you will see something like I'm showing here right now. And if you want to edit something, you can find the little pen symbol, which is either where it is for me right now, up here to the right, or somewhere here in a group of 3. And if you click that, you switch to edit mode, then you can scroll down to our icebreaker and add your answer here. And you can go ahead and do that now if you want to. So we would like to know, what did you all have for lunch today? Maybe we get some new ideas for tomorrow. How would you explain your current job to someone in the year 1700s? That's always fun to see what people are actually doing, and maybe we can guess what is your current job title. And then related to our today's lesson, what's the best documented project you have seen? So maybe we ask our instructors first. What did you have for lunch today, Michele?
Well, I think I was the one who said some vegan dish. I had some vegetables, something light to just keep me alive during the next 2 hours and a half. Yeah,
Sounds good.
very good, by
How
the way.
about
Yeah, pretty similar. Had some cucumbers, tomatoes. Yeah, vegan dish.
Yum, yum. How about Jarno?
Breakfast
Did you
for
have
lunch?
any
Yeah,
lunch?
I had breakfast for lunch, I guess, several hours ago. Someone's saying the sound is low in the classroom, even though they have it on max volume. So since we haven't started
Okay.
yet, I'm going to adjust the gain a bit.
Okay.
So I hope your ears don't break.
We can continue talking something to see if
Okay,
it
yes.
helps.
Now it should be a bit louder. So you can respond in the document to the question if it's okay or not.
It helps. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, great. And this is
Yeah.
actual great use of the document. These are all things that please let us know as early as possible if you cannot hear someone, or if you think we are sharing the wrong screen or anything like that. The document is also used for you to tell us if there's anything we need to know during the next 2.5 hours. So for everyone who
And
joined us now, sorry, go ahead.
no, I wanted to say that actually this document is the zero exercise for us because we are going to practice a bit of Markdown, and
Perfect.
that's exactly the you know, and this document is written in Markdown, so you can practice some Markdown.
So it will also come during the lesson. That's great. Yes. So the document will be available throughout the lesson, and you can use it to ask questions, let us know about things. During the exercise session, let us know how it's going or if you have any specific questions. And once more, for everyone who joined now, you can find the little pen symbol up here to go into edit mode, and then you can share if you want to what you had for lunch today. I will also add mine here. I also had breakfast for lunch. It was kind of a late breakfast. And then I'll put some more sessions here. Oh, we get some explanations of job titles. How about you, Michele? How would you explain your current job to someone in 1700?
Well, I think that people in the 1700 may know what a scientist is or a philosopher is. I mean, I guess, you know, I'm not a farmer, so possibly to a person from there, I could just pose as one of those people that work, you know, in an office and stay. I think that's, you know, stay on a desk and think, more or less. I think. Um, yeah.
How about you?
Maybe I would say I do calculations by using more advanced tools. If people had some calculators back then,
I mean,
they may
calculator was a job
understand.
title, so they had yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know about 1700s if it was an actual job title. Actually, it's a bit early, maybe.
Yeah.
So we also have mechanical calculator operator here,
Yes.
Yeah.
conceptual workflow. Add some more points here.
To do chemistry or alchemy? Yes. It's a mention of chemistry. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Alchemy is dangerous, so it's much better to do it on paper.
Yes, and then we also have the last icebreaker question here leading us to today's topic about the best documented project. For the last 1 minute, Michele and you, what are the ones that you find best documented out there that you have encountered?
NumPy
Well,
is well documented, I would say.
yeah, I guess that NumPy is, and the Python documentation in general, it's
Yeah.
really nice. I think I've learned so in the RE package in Python, the package for regular expressions. I think I've learned working with regular expressions there on the documentation for that package. And also, yeah, NumPy I've used a lot, and it's really nice too. It's a really good documentation, I would say, for anybody who wants to use NumPy. Yeah.
Right. And
And
today we might learn how to write such nice documentation. It is 1 o'clock finish time, so let's get started. Let me just go back to the normal view. So welcome everyone to this CodeRefinery workshop day 6. Today we're gonna talk about documentation, how to write documentation for your code, a topic that is sometimes overlooked and maybe seen as not so interesting or also maybe a little bit hard. So hopefully today's lesson will help you with that. Let me go to the workshop web page. Hopefully all of you know this page. This is where you registered. This is also where you can find all the information for today. So if we scroll down here to day 6, you can find the link to the lesson material today if you want to follow. And then you also just got an email that includes the link to this page, the link to a virtual help room. So if during today you have any kind of technical trouble, you can join there and ask Enrico all your questions that you have. And then we have the link to the notes document. This is where you can find another way to find all the links for today, also to our code of conduct and how we suggest that you can set up your screen. And here you can find the icebreakers that we just briefly discussed in the 10 minutes before we started. And this document is also here for your questions. It is how we ask you to interact with the instructors, and we will also share all the links to the materials or any further links via this document. And the way you can use this document is you find this little pen symbol, which is either up here to the right or somewhere up here to the left for you. You click that, you go into edit mode, and then you can also join here, filling in the icebreakers, testing a little bit how this works. And then later you can fill in your questions in the bottom of the document, or let us know if volume is off or anything else that is happening during the stream. And with that, I will give over to today's instructors, Michele and you.
Yeah, I will be
And
sharing my screen now.
have a wonderful
Okay.
workshop, everyone.